SRPT stock analysis and SRPT stock prediction. This is for Tuesday and onwards. Am I buying? I'm covering all that in this short 1-minute video. Especially after a crazy correction of 43%. This time my chart is looking like, well, you know, I've done 42,000 videos over 5 years, so it's not like I haven't seen this happening. My call out was so on point. Like, I'm not even trying to play it smart here. Yeah, I was never kind of bullish on SRPT. I mean, I saw this from a mile away. And since we corrected down even lower, what are my 2 cents on this? Well, the likelihood that we keep making lower lows is high. And actually, like, we have a lot of liquidity here swept above around $8. Now we're 20, you know, $8 is kind of far away, but at the same time today we fell down 44%, right? So I'm not saying it will come down to 8, I'm saying it could be possible. It's a possibility. I mean, yeah, like, unless there's a big catalyst, there is no way I'm going to look to trade this right now after like what we've seen happening today. So really nothing that I'll be forcing, no trade, no particular bias and insight, just waiting, being patient, and the likelihood that this just keeps melting is a high in my eyes. But if you do want to learn how I'm making 5-10K per month trading, click the first link in the description, get my free emails, and I'll see you in the next one.